Crash Course on New Zealand Geography, an overview of New Zealand's unique geography, including its islands, mountains, beaches, and forests. New Zealand is a country of incredible geographical diversity, from its rugged mountain ranges to its sparkling coastlines and lush forests. The unique combination of its two main islands, North and South Island, gives New Zealand a natural environment that is unparalleled in its beauty. One of the most impressive features of New Zealand's geography is its active volcanic landscape. The North Island is home to some of the most active volcanoes in the world, including Mount Ruapehu, which last erupted in 2007. These volcanoes have created a diverse range of landscapes, including geothermal hot springs, bubbling mud pools, and dramatic mountain ranges. Another iconic natural feature of New Zealand is its fjords, which were formed by glaciers over thousands of years. Milford Sound and Doubtful Sound are two of the most famous fjords in the country, with towering cliffs, waterfalls, and crystal-clear waters. New Zealand's coastline is also a major attraction, with hundreds of beaches stretching along its shores. Some of the most popular include Piha Beach near Auckland, the golden sand of Cathedral Cove on the Coromandel Peninsula, and the rugged beauty of 90 Mile Beach in the far north. The Southern Alps, which run down the length of the South Island, are another standout feature of New Zealand's geography. Mount Cook, the highest mountain in New Zealand, sits among these impressive peaks, offering some of the best alpine scenery in the world. Aside from these well-known features, New Zealand is also home to a number of unique landscapes and geological formations. The Wai-O-Tapu caves on the North Island are a must-see, with their stunning glowworm displays and underground rivers. The Pancake Rocks on the west coast of the South Island are another standout attraction, with their layered rock formations and blowholes that shoot water high into the air. To truly experience the natural beauty of New Zealand's geography, visitors should take the time to explore its diverse landscapes, from the snow-capped mountains to the sandy beaches and everything in between. Here are top 12 New Zealand's unique geography. Untitled National Park, located in the southwest corner of the South Island, this park features deep fjords, towering cliffs, and dramatic waterfalls. 2 Milford Sound, often called the eighth wonder of the world, this stunning fjord features steep cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and crystal-clear waters. 3 Franz Josef Glacier, this 12 kilometers long glacier is one of the most accessible glaciers in the world and can be explored by guided hikes or helicopter tours. 4 Tongariro National Park, the oldest national park in New Zealand, this park is home to 3 active volcanoes and stunning alpine landscapes. 5 Tasman National Park, located in the north of the South Island, this park features golden beaches, turquoise waters, and lush forests. 6 Mount Cook National Park, home to New Zealand's highest peak, this park boasts rugged alpine scenery and the stunning Tasman Glacier. 7 Wai-O-Tapu, this geothermal wonderland in the North Island features bubbling mud pools, colourful hot springs, and the famous Champagne Pool. 8 Fox Glacier, located on the west coast of the South Island, this 13 kilometers long glacier is another popular destination for guided hikes and helicopter tours. 9 Lake Tekapo, known for its stunning turquoise waters and surrounding mountains, this lake is also home to the iconic Church of the Good Shepherd. 10 The Coromandel Peninsula, this scenic area in the North Island features pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and the famous Cathedral Cove. 11 The Southern Alps, spanning the length of the South Island, this mountain range features rugged peaks, glaciers, and alpine lakes. 12 The Bay of Islands, located in the far north of the North Island, this area is known for its stunning coastline, clear waters, and abundant marine life. In summary, New Zealand's geography is a natural wonderland that is sure to leave visitors in awe. From its active volcanoes to its stunning fjords and coastlines, there is no shortage of breathtaking scenery to discover. So pack your bags and head to New Zealand, where adventure and exploration await. And now, a poem and a song to celebrate the unique and diverse geography of New Zealand. Poem. In the land of the long white cloud, nature reigns supreme, with mountains tall and fjords so deep. A landscape like a dream. From geothermal wonders to sandy shores. And everything in between. New Zealand's geography is a feast. For the eyes and the senses keen. Song. Verse 1. In the land down under, there's a place to discover. A world of natural wonder, like no other. From the mountains so high to the beaches below. New Zealand's geography is a sight to behold. Chorus. Come explore the land of the long white cloud. Where nature is king and adventures allowed. From volcanoes to fjords, and everything between. New Zealand's geography is a traveler's dream. Verse 2. With glaciers and lakes, and forests so green. The Southern Alps are a sight to be seen. And down on the coast, the beaches are gold. With waves to ride and tales to be told. Chorus. New Zealand's geography is a wonder to see. From mountains to beaches. It's a sight you can't miss, please believe. Verse 3. Moving on to the west coast. You'll find the Punakaiki Pancake Rocks. A geological masterpiece that will leave you lost for words. Verse 4. The Coromandel Peninsula boasts beaches and hot springs so stellar. Cathedral Cove and Hot Water Beach are just a couple that are within reach. Chorus. New Zealand's geography is a wonder to see. From mountains to beaches. It's a sight you can't miss, please believe. Bridge. So come and explore this land of natural wonder. It's a place like no other. A true geographic treasure. Chorus. New Zealand's geography is a wonder to see. From mountains to beaches. It's a sight you can't miss, please believe. Outro. New Zealand's geography is a sight to see. Come and discover this natural wonder. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences New Zealand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to New Zealand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html 8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.